Ooh, that was so close he got hived out. I wonder what he'll do with them. The driver doesn't know the worth of life. Look at the vehicle without any balancing capability. It is better it stopped. A cloud of smoke lingered in the air after a collision between a truck and a smaller vehicle. Good guy! Guilty of switching lanes and overspending. Bystanders must have gasped as the vehicles collided, leaving behind a scene of chaos and confusion. Oh, look at him speeding! He is Lewis Hamilton of Formula One. Fatal consequences followed the trail of aggressive driving. The crumpled front end of the car bore witness to the force of the head-on collision. A moment of rage can lead to a lifetime of regret. Choose patience on the road. Shattered glass and deployed airbags painted a vivid picture of the car crash. The aftermath of reckless driving, shattered lives and broken dreams. Driving is a matter of life and death, and gambling with it will cost the driver his life. Oh! The car loses control. He must have been lucky to survive that far. Next time, nobody will caution him as to how to drive on a wide boulevard. The wreck is first. This must have been a dangerous record to break. We should give him an award for cheating death. Wow! The boulevard looks small for these two reckless drivers. They must have been under the influence of aqua vitae. Looks like they've been partying all day. What a gruesome accident! A chain reaction of braking and swerving cars unfolded as the driver failed to stop in time. Next time, they will surely take their time in order to ensure they reach home safely. In the blink of an eye, road rage can transform lives forever. The streets are not a place to play hide and seek. It's a place to drive responsibly. Ooh, this Halloween party must have been crazy. These people must have encountered something fearful that Halloween. If he's not careful, he would be among the dead who will come to help celebrate the Halloween party the following year.